Alrighty. Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning. Clutch mass. I'm doing good, man. I'm a little tired, but ready. Good morning, good morning. Let's hope for a nice day of price action. Oh, I appreciate that, man. Honestly, that's the whole reason I started this. So, you know, someone asked me to do it because, you know, he wanted to see how I traded. So, and that was like 5 months ago or 4 months ago since I started streaming. So I appreciate that, man. Oh, one move. New to your stream, what indicators are you using? Yeah, so I don't really have much on my deep charts. I mainly do my charting on TradingView, and yeah, the only indicator I pretty much use is VWAP. You've been watching me since I had 107 subs. That's awesome, man. I don't even know how many subs I have now. Honestly, I haven't really been tracking. I don't even know how many I have on YouTube. Let me check. Oh, we passed 4,000, dude. What the heck? Dude, that's pretty crazy. Awesome. Dude, thanks for being an OG though, for sure. Oh, dude, I thought I was still at like 3,000. Like, I have not been looking at my YouTube subs at all. It's been coming on and streaming. It's cool. But yeah, man, making money trading is definitely possible. I think the more experience you have in it, you tend to realize that it's just rebuilding of a lot of your natural tendencies, a lot of your natural habits. You just kind of want to fix those and find a good strategy, just stick to it. Mostly, yeah, I mean, I think that's one of the reasons I do like live trading and kind of showing my entire P&L, right? Everything is just like fully transparent. So yeah, man, 100%. Yeah, I do think it's important. That's why I do like traders like I don't know if you guys know BPC. Like I got into the future space around like 5, 6, I want to say like 7 months ago now. Like around like October last year. 6 months ago, 6, 7 months. Before I got in, I was just kind of watching a few streamers, and BPC was one of them. And I really liked how he just like had his entire P&L showing. So definitely one of my early inspirations. So for sure. But before that, I used to just mainly trade either CFD props or my own capital before I got into futures trading. So it's cool. I have an idea. Let's see. Wait, can you guys see this? I was thinking we should do our charting together. Yeah. Just ignore like the top part of the stream. But let's do our charting on TradingView, because it's kind of difficult to chart on TradeC. So this is kind of what we're going over with one of my students yesterday. Kind of marking out some levels together. So how I like to mark out levels, it's really simple. I know there ends up being a lot of levels, like on the hourly, it just gets really cluttered, but kind of once you zoom in, it becomes like really clear, right? Like there's like 40 points in between each other. 40 points. So it gets a little uncluttered on the lower time frame. But how I like to mark levels is really simple. Like definitely like highs and lows are, you know, key levels. So like when I see highs and lows, I like to mark them out. A lot of times you have reactions on them, right? And just say you have a key level you mark out like this, right? And price comes up and you see market structure shifting, like this low gets broken, right? Like that, those are usually my entry points. And my strategy is like, honestly, it's that simple. Like I mark out key level, price comes up, it reacts, I want to get in on the reaction. Not on like where the pinpoint is, but if I see that shift in structure. Whereas I draw a key level, price comes up, but we don't react, like then like this key level it was held, right? And then just say price comes down and starts shifting structure to the upside like this, right? Off the key level, then I want to get in long here, off that shifting structure. So that's kind of what I see. That's kind of what I'm starting to see here too. This is on the hourly, right? Usually I like to trade on either the 1 or the 5, but yeah, I'll mark out levels like this. Like you have clearly a level here that price could not close over on the under or on the hour, right? So realistically, I'd mark that level out, call it a key level. Same idea with this. Same idea with this, right? So I was wondering, like I was over here, I was wondering what this was because I didn't have it labeled, right? And we obviously saw it as support. I go back and it's definitely this that I marked out, right? So I'm just gonna mark this out as a key level. So let's look at this. Like look at this. So we go into the 1 minute. Like if you trade on the 1 minute, right? You come down here and you wait for market structure to shift. So you would have several signals here. So just say you waited for price to come down, tap, right? And then you shift structure here, right? This high gets broken. That could be your entry, like entry long, right on the shift, stop below, swing low, and that's your trade. You can take it up to VWAP, you can take it up to value high, you can take it up to the previous all-time high, you can take it up to deviation of, or you can take it up to like value high, you can take it to deviation, second deviation of VWAP, you could take it up to all-time high. You know, you have a lot of different targets, but your entry is good, and you just got to choose your target. So I would say a lot of times, like, don't overthink your strategy, don't overthink your trading. It's just keep it simple. Keep it simple. Manage your risk, and then it'll all work out at the end. Yeah, make sure you also like and follow, guys. We'll do more giveaways today. Giveaway count to like every 50 likes. Let's see. We got about 15 minutes till market open. Perfect. Yeah, honestly, I don't have a, like, kind of looking at the charts, don't really have a clear bias on the day. You know what? Let's go back to that. I don't know why I got rid of it. So, if you look at the 4, definitely looks bullish. Right? You're setting new highs, and you know we've cleared this high, broken above it. Cleared this high, broken above it on the 4 as well. Looks like we're kind of holding this as support, right? What is that level at? Like 540, 550. You know, if you want to just put a whole number, quarters theory on it, just say like 550, kind of being held. So I'd be watching this. So like on the hourly, oh yeah, that is that level that was being held. So yeah, I would watch this on the hourly and see if you like break structure, like break above these highs. Because like right now, like what I see is that previous hourly candle just could not break above this high, right? So if you do get an hourly break, which is gonna be the first 30 minutes of market open. So depending on that, like if this comes down and wicks again and like breaks below these, then I'm gonna probably watch this level get tested for a short. Whereas if we break above this on the hourly, then I could wait for this to get tested for a long. Right? And that would kind of give us like, in terms of more of like a, on the hourly, we could probably develop some sort of structure that looks like this, right? Like we have like 2 highs, so we're off, definitely trending higher for now at least. And then I don't know where our lows would be. I think realistically, if we wanted to come all the way down, something like this, right? So this is kind of our macro like channel that we're in. So I want to see us kind of come up and do this today. Even if we just do that, right? Like how many points is that? That's like 140, 150 point move. Catch like 80 to 100 points of that if we can. And that's our day, right? if we end up going up first, right, we'll be at all-time highs. Like, yeah, we'll be at all-time highs if we clear this. That's all-time high right now. And we could see that, right? So the levels I'd be watching are definitely this level here, because we've been putting a lot of respect on it, and then this level here. So I don't really have a clear bias on which way market's going, but all I can say it's bullish, right? We're setting higher highs, higher lows, right? We just don't know how it's gonna get higher, but until it really breaks like any of these lows, right? Until it breaks that, like, we're still bullish. You can just have pullbacks. And I guess the other really bullish scenario is that if we kind of come up and hold this, then we could be off to the races even higher. So that's just kind of my read on the market. I have a few plays that we could take. So let's see if we can get an entry into these moves and honestly just take our share of the pie. I'm getting pretty close to payout on this account too. I think I need like 3 more profitable days, 2 more profitable days, or something like that. So take another payout on this. Getting close to payout on a couple lucid accounts. I don't think I copy trade any of my tradeifys this week. I need to place a trade on them. There we go. All right, copy trader is set. Still got like 8 minutes to market open. Yeah, definitely looks bullish, right? Holding VWAP, we're above VWAP now. Yeah, we'll probably be pretty patient today on market open. Just because of kind of what I said. I really want to wait for that hourly to close. I think it's going to tell us a lot about the direction the market's going. I think the only unfortunate thing would be kind of like yesterday, the market just rips without us. So hopefully it doesn't. I gotta make this bigger. I can't see the footprint chart. Still 5 minutes to market open. Got stop delved and filled. Dang. That R on that trade's crazy, man. What is that RR on that? Like 40? It's insane. $50 RR, that's massive. Alrighty, market open here soon. We're kind of zooming. I wonder if this just takes off on market. we're right at value high. I think if we claim value high, this could look alright. Checkbook map. Got some levels above. Oh yeah, that looks like up for sure. But I'm gonna wait on a 5-minute signal, so I think I'd rather be a little more patient than kind of get caught off guard. Go to my Tradeifys. What account's my leader? 56. We're at the second deviation already. This is kind of what we're talking about. We're at like that trend line. So let me draw that out. Remember that kind of that top trend line that we drew out? We're bouncing right off that right now. So we gotta kind of see if we could take this. Do we squeeze through this level? We're not really able to close above it. This looks strong. I wonder if we'll get a 5-minute entry in. Yeah, the parallel channel. Yeah, we're above it now though. We're definitely zooming past it at the moment. But we're riding the second deviation, so it's kind of hard. Wow, we are bullish. Wonder when it'll give us a pullback. Or even if it'll give us a pullback, right? Short it here? No, I would not short, man. There's so much buy pressure. If anything, I'd long it here and like close my eyes. Like I want into this long, but I just don't know when it's gonna pull back, or if it'll pull back, right? I'm trying to find an entry in, so let's draw that out. Just actually draw out that trend line here on this chart. It's loading. Holy, that's so laggy. Red. Back to the chart. That's just kind of what we're watching, right? Mr. JMK, don't you read YouTube chat anymore? I do. Good morning. I know. I'm trading, bro. Please. Alright. That is not correct. It's more like this. That could be a little off. I'm just kind of watching my trading view chart. It's like this. So this is kind of what we're watching. I want to see this tested. I want to see this come back down and test this. We got our 5-minute close. Really bullish close. Dang, there might be no stopping this, man. Crazy, what a rip on the open. Would I mark it in on evals? Yeah, I probably would have just full ported an eval off that rip. But we're not trading evals right now, so yeah, maybe if I get a base hit on this, maybe we can switch over to some evals and work on some evals after for the rest of the day. I got some fresh Tradeify evals, like 2 Tradeify evals I need to work on, so. Or it might be like a full port apex type of day too. I think I only have 1 apex eval. I might grab some more right now just in case, and then maybe later in the session we can work on some evals. That is assuming that their 90% is still going on. I think it is, right? Good morning, daily day trade. Up only today? Yeah, honestly. So kind of the analysis we went over is that if the first hourly candle closed bullish, then we'd probably be up. And we're closing very bullish, so I would not be shorting this like at all. Man, I really want to long this. Like, I'm getting so many 1-minute signals, but I'm just trying to filter out noise and just trade on the 5. So I'm just gonna sit on my hands. Let me grab some apex evals. Maybe work on some apex. No entries yet, guys. Wait for this to kind of cool off a bit, and then wait for it to distribute a bit. And off that distribution, you'll get a little pullback, and then that's kind of where we're gonna look to enter. So we just had a big expansion, right? How many points was that? Like 150 points. Like wait for this to chop. This will chop around for a bit now, and ideally when it pulls back to maybe 700-ish, kind of like around this the trend line, right? That's where I want to look for the long. We'll sit here all day if we have to. Man, maybe the market's starting to lighten up again. We'll kind of watch the markets for like about the next month, and you know, if the markets start to look clean again, kind of like last October, September, we'll kind of just go back to our old strat, our old system, so we can catch like a lot of these big moves. But I think for now, it's just protecting your accounts is key. It's just top priority right now, right? I'd rather take less payouts now than just blow my accounts and spend more on evals. So I say that as I'm buying more evals. I'm loading up some apexes. We'll run some apexes today. Like, I think there's a big enough range where we could probably catch a decent move to pass them, or at least like get them like majority passed or something. You're so lucky Apex didn't ban you. Oh yeah, it's because I haven't gotten payout from Apex. Yeah. But at the same time, I trade Apex so aggressively. I've just been pretty unlucky with them, so no, it's more my fault. I think if I took my Apexes a lot slower, I definitely would have had a few payouts by now, but kind of full ported my Apexes like every time. Damn, this is crazy, man. We're literally holding the second deviation. Yeah, it's like too extended to long, but too bullish to short. So we're in that gray area. It's gonna chop around. I really want to pull back to 700s. I think testing 700s would be ideal. it doesn't look like a terrible. It does not look like a terrible short right now. But I think with all the buy pressure, you can easily get squeezed out. And there's just too much buy pressure, too many buyers protecting these lows. Yeah, look at that. Squeezed. That's insane, man. Yeah, this is definitely price action that you want to just go along and just close your eyes. Lucids are doing fine. Yeah, ES looks like supply build up to the upside. We might actually get a long signal here. If we close above like 795 on the 5, I might consider the long. Oh, we need that close though. Otherwise, I'm gonna be looking around 700s. Oh, my goodness, dude. That's crazy. Let me, trying to get my apexes all set up. Wonder if this is gonna take us out. Nice. Connections, apex. Oops. Which one is my leader? How many contracts? Alright, I'll get to your guys' questions since we're not in a trade. You think profit will come for 27,840? Let's see. It looks like 840 dropped out. It's really heavy around 20s. I think that'll get squeezed out, and then 900 is kind of the next level on Bookmap. So I'd be kind of watching that. Bro, there's like, this is not gonna let up. It's not even gonna let us in. I think the fact that it's not letting us in is the worst part right now. It's kind of waiting, right? We finally get a pullback. Dude, this does not look like it wants to pull back at all. Maybe no chop. No, dude, it always chops. There's like, it never, I want to say never, but it almost never like doesn't chop, right? And if you're just playing your edge, I'd rather play the chance that it does chop and then gives us an entry, right? There's no need to like FOMO into this, because honestly, like worst case, this just goes up forever. We never got our entry in on our 5, you know, on the 5 minute, then we'd come back on Monday, like, you know? It's unfunded. It's like, when I switch to my apexes, like if this is like really not letting up at all and then not giving us an entry on the 5, then we'll just switch to apexes and try to find like a 1 minute entry in. But until then, I think we just chill. After this last top step account, I plan to swap to Apex. Yeah, that's a good idea. I do like Apex a lot after their changes. Definitely one of my I think the edge is more in your favor on Apex, even though you have consistency on funded. I think it's easy to get Apexes funded, and then once you're funded, you know, just size down, trade them over a month. Like plan to take a payout like every month, and then I think that's probably the best way to trade Apexes. I try to like get payouts like every 5 days, and I've ended up blowing them. So I think if I get these funded, I'm just gonna take them super slow over the next month. Make my goal to get a payout at the end of May. How many contracts do I trade at a time? Whoa, what is going on? Oh, that's the hourly close, I see. Bro, it's tweaking. We finally get that pullback on this hourly candle. Man, that just looks like another long. That was crazy. How many points was this hourly? That was a 300-point move up, guys. That's absolutely insane. This market has no chill. That's crazy. Okay. Maybe we'll get a signal here. Yeah, so we did squeeze through that the 20s to 40s level. There are big levels around 900, which is kind of where we're at right now. Yeah, big level at like 915. There's levels up at like 8,000 as well. Dang, that'd be crazy if we hit 28K today on NQ. Absolutely insane. The 5 still looks bullish, so, and we're like holding the second deviation, like, bro, I don't even know. Please, NQ, let us eat. Let us eat. Nice, good stuff, Parth. Yeah, I mean, honestly, like on the one, there's a ton of signals that we could have taken, right? Even on the market open, we had a signal. We had a long signal here, wouldn't have gotten tapped into that one. Yeah, a lot of profit on the 1 minute, but like I said, I'm just sticking to the 5 minute strategy because I've just been getting chopped out way too much in the market. This is great price action though. Just sad that I'm not in it. I think this hurts more than losing, is watching the market take off without me. You're scared to trade the 1 minute? That's fair. Yeah, 1 minute, honestly, NQ's 1 minute is pretty clean. I even think like lower time frame, like 30 seconds, 15 seconds, actually also pretty clean on NQ. It's probably cleaner on ES though, just because of liquidity. But price is starting to weaken a little bit. So maybe we get another leg up here. So we're kind of getting this again right now, right? So the question really is, like, is this the top for now? Like, are we pulling back, or are we just gonna make another leg up after this, right? Instead of that, let's get in a volume profile. What does this look like on deep charts? I don't know if I really like that, but is there an entry you're still looking for? Yeah, I'm definitely looking for an entry into honestly either a long or a short. But I'm just not. If I enter short, I'm gonna be really tight with my risk. I'd be okay with taking like 10 points on a short. But if I enter a long, I'm looking to just like set my stop break even and walk away from the computer basically. If you can find a good entry in. Yeah. Well, we'll see. We're already 300 points up, guys, so the chance that this just like chops the rest of the day is here too, you know? Maybe just taking a few scalps is good enough. You know, don't try to force the market to do anything. Just take what the market gives you. After expansion, there's always chop. And we're definitely going to be entering some chop soon. Unfortunately, we didn't really get an entry into this really good move, which makes me very sad. But it is what it is. So yeah, we're getting that distribution right now. Maybe this pulls back to our previous range. But I would say likely it doesn't. If you draw a channel, it's getting really tight at the top. I don't know how you're drawing your channel. Also, I just hate drawing on deep charts. Like, dude, trading on deep charts is probably the best. Like their trade manager is like by far the best I've used so far on futures, but their charting is not much to be desired, honestly. But I love trading on this. Yeah, ES definitely looks like it's distributing here too. Just be patient, guys. We'll try to end Friday on a dub. Yeah, should have just went on evals today. Would have passed like every single one. Price starting to coil a little bit. Look at that, every dip just bought. Man, I wonder how high they're gonna take this. To watch everyone be aiming for 28K and just edge it. I can see that as a possibility here. Watch it just get to like 27, like 980. There's a level at 980, 990. People are trying to front run that 9,000 level. Yeah, look at that. Honestly, we might get a 5-minute entry here. Two minutes left on the 5-minute close. Honestly, if this 5-minute close is nice, I might look for this. I probably front run the front runners, take it off like 970. Alright, that's a clean like 1-minute break, but definitely want this on the 5. The 100 edges, yeah. Probably. Alright. Watch this 5-minute candle. Like 888. I think that's what we want to close over. 888, 890. Who wins here? Ugh. I don't like that. Yeah, it didn't close over. Just like won't give us an entry in. It's getting pretty choppy. And it's fine. Just let it chop, and then if we get a break out of this, like it doesn't have to be this 5-minute candle, but if this next 5-minute candle breaks above, then we'll take the long. Dude, look how relentless buyers are right now. Let me check the footprint. Let me see. Yeah, it's pretty even. And we're finally breaking down. Maybe we get a short entry here. That would be a 1-minute short entry. That's good. Do we just take a 1-minute trade? Yeah. No. I need to wait. This is chopping up too much. Fighting my inner demons right now to not take it. Look at that. And that's why you don't take it. I've already been close to being stopped out here. ES looks like it's about to pop up again. NQ is like stuck in this weird range. Yeah, ES can't get over, or NQ can't get over 90s. Look at NQ on the 5. It's a really tight range, right? Where the bodies are closing. Between like 890 and 880, pretty much. It's like a 10-point range. Yeah. ES is looking to break out, so maybe NQ breaks out here too. And maybe we'll finally get our entry in. It's not looking bad. You gotta be kidding me. Still in that range. Just can't break out. Thank you, God. Yeah. Oh yeah, I remember. Was that you who mentioned him? Yeah, I don't remember. That was like months ago. You're right. That's a good point. I do want to do like some sort of collab. That'd be a lot of fun. I think I have messaged him before, actually. Remember, I'll try to contact him again. That'd be cool to do like a collaborative stream. Where is VWAP right now? Oh, we're way above VWAP. No, I don't think we come down and test it today. That'd be crazy. I have a personal Forex account. I have a small futures account that's personal, but I don't really trade it. So, to answer your question, I do mainly prop. Wait, did we get a 5-minute? Oh, we kind of did. I'm gonna see if this bounces a little bit. This might be a little risky entry. I want to see if we break this.
Order submitted.
Alright, I'm gonna get in. My risk is around like 600. We'll see if we can take it down to value high.
Order submitted.
There it is. We finally had a break on the 5. Let's see if we get any continuation here. Remember what I said, I'm be pretty close with my stops. Like I'm already setting this break even. So we're right at value high. Oh, what the heck? We're right, already at value high. This is like miscalculated on the X charts. So yeah, we're already at value high right now. That's kind of where we're finding a little resistance. I think we squeezed through. Oh, this could be a good short, guys. If we break this on the 5 on ES, that previous 5-minute candle low, I'm looking for this to kind of chop around for a little bit and then drop possibly down to like VWAP. That'd be a huge short if you get it. But if value high holds, then I think this might just shoot back up. So this is definitely make it or break it here around this level. Honestly, I'm expecting value high to be held. So, oh, bro, that almost stopped me on break even. Like, how crazy was that? Oh man, should I trade my apexes? How many likes we got on the stream, guys? Make sure to like the stream. We'll do a giveaway if we can make it to like 50 likes and 100 likes. Giveaway at every increment. Let me go check how many we got. That looks great. We're at 30 likes. Come on, guys. 100% win rate today. Honestly, this can go down further, but I'm gonna take it on this account at base it, which is $500. Unless we get front ran here. I might cry. I just might shed a tear or two. Thank goodness. I'm bringing my stop down. Nice. That looks fantastic.
Order cancel.
Let's go, guys. Base hit done. This is a good run. I'm just taking my base hit on the account, but like realistically, target is key level at like 80s. Remember, like 80s was kind of big, and then VWAP. And then if this wants to come back down to test that trend line, that massive trend line that we have right here, this one, then that's another like 100 points down that you could be holding. So that is pretty much VWAP. Let's go. I full ported this on one of my evals. It's a single eval. I should have done this on my apexes. How sad. Let's go, guys. Where would I target on eval? VWAP. You can definitely get caught in this, right? It might chop around here, and if it kind of holds the zone, then I'd be up. But I think this goes down to VWAP. Yeah, this is like our number one setup that we used to trade. Like I'm not trading this setup anymore because it's been really choppy and it's been chopping out a lot. But this is like where I make the most money. We're us getting a break into value, and the chance that this goes to VWAP is super high. So like I end up compounding my position pretty hard. Like even on this break here, I would have added. Dang. Maybe the markets are getting better, guys. Maybe May is looking good. Maybe we just start trading our old system. Start printing again. Let's go, guys. We got our dub for the day. Probably switch over to evals or something. Just to be clear, this VWAP is incorrect. So I would use the trading view VWAP, which is around like 730 right now. So I would be out of this. I would be, just say I was in like 10 micros. I probably would have already taken 2. I'd be taking 3 at VWAP. And if VWAP looks to be flipped, like if we start getting a retracement on VWAP, right, then I'll just exit the whole position. But if VWAP looks like it's getting flipped over, then I would hold the rest of the 5 micros. I'd be careful here too. ES is on its VWAP. Nice. Caught a banger, guys. Let's go. Caught a big dub, and then we'll do a giveaway. Let's get 13 more likes, guys, and we'll do a giveaway today. Am I looking for another trade? Or am I done for the day? I'm done for the day pretty much. If I do look for another trade, it will be on an eval, and it probably kind of less of an edge on the eval or on the trade, but I might look for one. But honestly, it's Friday, so it's Friday. We've already moved like 300 something points up, and now like 150, 200 points down. I don't know. And there's still a lot of volatility left in the market. I think there's still opportunity, but definitely your edge diminishes over time in the market. A lot of the moves happen in like the first 2 hours, right? So yeah, I think if anything, I'll look for like a scalp long on this trend line. Like this trend line, VWAP, it's also the 50 EMA on the 5, which is something I like to use as confluence as well. So yeah, a lot of confluence for longs around like the 700s to like 730s level. So that's where I'd be looking personally. Yeah, just so bad when it's this volatile. Yeah. Oh yeah, I heard Alpha Futures came out with a new plan. Let me actually check this out. Let's see what this looks like. Alpha Futures. I don't know. Have you guys seen these accounts? Futures premium plan. Holy shit, that's expensive. Let's see if they have a code going. Let's see what the real price is. Alpha. Alright, 25%. Okay. So 3,000 profit target, 4 contracts, max drawdown 2K, profit split 90%, okay, resets. Oh yeah, funder resets, that's terrible. New activation resets, okay, I see. No daily loss, good. Consistency, no consistency. Wait, no answer, what does that mean? What does that mean? Just means no consistency, I'm assuming. Okay, 5 accounts. Oh, it's a Lucid Flex. The heck? Guys, everyone's just copying Lucid. It's not. It has an activation fee if you pay the $80. Yeah, I know. Top Step's really dropping the ball, unfortunately. But no, it's 150 bucks or 160. Yeah, it's 25% of that for 40 bucks off. So it's like 120 bucks for the no activation. Interesting. Yeah, it's just elusive flux. It's more expensive though. Yeah. Okay. I mean, they're just kind of catching up with the industry, right? So let's see how much it is. Premium. I didn't know Alpha had deep chart too. So we could trade Alpha on deep charts. That's pretty cool. So yeah, yeah, the Apex accounts. I mean, not Apex. The Alpha accounts. They're literally Lucid Flexes, but more expensive. Lucid Flex is like, dude, they're like $83 with their vault discount. So if you're not fully allocated at Lucid, I would just do that first. It's cheaper. That's cool though. That's awesome. I think the craziest thing is that Top Step says, like Michael Paddock, whatever his name is, says he has like the lowest prices on Top Step. How much is it? How much are the 50Ks? 104 bucks. Yeah. Okay. Alrighty, how many likes are we at, guys? We're almost at 50. Let's check. 42 likes. Just need a little bit more. We're on a giveaway today. $1,000, $4,000, $6,000, $10K. Going on any holidays soon? No, unfortunately. No holidays for me. Maybe. Alright guys, let's get 6 more likes and we will do the giveaway. And then maybe we can hop on some evals or something. Payout amount is 1,000. Just to check up. Got my blood drawn and other stuff. Yeah, let's try to do I'm just kind of waiting for 50 likes. We'll do a giveaway and then maybe we'll hop on evals, maybe not. We'll see. Yo, Chango Mango, what's up, man? It's going pretty good. We hit our base hit for the day. 1 trade, 1 win today. What are all these lines it's stopping at and place them? Which one? Are you talking about like these? If you're talking about like these dotted lines or dashed lines, that's VWAP. So the purple line's VWAP and these are its deviations. So that's the first deviation, second, and third deviation. So like on TradingView, you would just type VWAP or volume weighted average price, and then just get that in. All right, we're pretty much at our giveaway count. Let's do our giveaway. Let's play dials again. All right, everyone. We're going for dialed here.
Inflation peaked at 12.3%.
Whoa, whoops. Alrighty, you guys ready? Let's crush your friends.
Multiplayer. Link copy.
Alright guys, get in. Don't worry, I'm pretty much colorblind too. Alright, good luck guys. May the best non-colorblind person win. Okay, that's like the same color as my candle on my book map. Is that cheating? Let's go. How to participate in the giveaway? Just click that dialed link and play the game. Make sure to take a screenshot of your name. Not gonna lie, I was not looking. That's messed up. I don't know what color it was. Oh, 6 points. Alright, let me focus here. Alright, that's like a mustard. Like a dirty mustard. Alright. You know, I kinda like that. Nice, let's go. Oh god, I'm kinda cooked on this one. Holy, I was off. Pastel, dark purple. Dang, suck at this. Yo, it's Pudding. Yo, Pudding, you didn't grab your account from yesterday. Dude, if you win again, you get 2 accounts. I was waiting for you to message me on Discord, so, or in like the main chat on Discord. Alright, nice. Pudding's not winning today. But yo, Pudding, whoever you are on YouTube, make sure to message me on Discord, because you won yesterday and I didn't get a message from you to claim it. Alright, I'm gonna give this like 1 more minute. I'll give it like 2 more minutes. Vladimir Pudding. Hello, hello. Awesome. Oh, that's all good. Sounds good. I'll get your account and we'll call this in like another minute at like 8:05 or 11:05. All right, I think K is the winner. All right, K, make sure to screenshot your thing, and then message me on Discord. Congratulations, K. It's not very descriptive of your name, but. Kijong, yeah, I saw that. Dude, you're barely second too. Hey, Kijong, you can message me on Discord too, just in case. I don't know if K's here. He's not replying, so if he doesn't reply, I will get you the account. Prod by K Beats. Alright, nice. Are we going lower? Yeah, I think we're going lower. Yeah, like I think VWAP is still target. So, yep. If I'm gonna continue trading this, I'll likely be looking for shorts. But it's starting to look pretty choppy, so it's not a bad idea to stay out of the market here too. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna work on evals, guys. I don't know if I want to really trade this PA, but like I said, if anything, you can try to fish a short down to VWAP and then possibly look for a long off of VWAP. Those are kind of like my two plays I'd be looking for here. Alright guys, nice trading. Congrats on the winners for the giveaway. We're just gonna call it today. Get on the weekend kind of early, so. Hey guys, have a good one, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Or Monday. Alright, peace out guys.